Hi, we're happy to have you with us today at Stokes Farnham Insurance Agency and Travelers Rest. We have some time to spend today with Emma Lane, who's one of our personal lines specialists here. And so I'd like to introduce her. Emma, tell us a little about yourself.
Hi, my name is Emma, and I work out of Stokes Farnham Insurance here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. I came to the insurance world from the event and hospitality industry, and I have been in the insurance world for 3 years. In my spare time, I like spending time with family. I've got two basset hounds, so those keep me busy. I enjoy scrapbooking and shopping.
All right. So, Emma, tell us, what is it about the insurance business that you enjoy the most?
I really like connecting with people, and that's a trait that I really grew with in coming from the event industry of being able to maintain a relationship with someone. So unlike retail where you meet somebody and they're gone in 5 minutes, you never see them again, you're able to really, sell a policy and then maintain that relationship, whether it be throughout the years when those customers buy a new home or get a secondary home or adding a new car to their policy and maybe having a child, and we're able to write that life insurance policy. So you get to know everybody and you can maintain those relationships, and it's fun.
Great. So here's a question I think everybody's going to love to hear about. What are some of the different ways that you can save money on your insurance?
So that's a great question. There are several factors, but a few key factors that I'll point out would be bundling your policies. So not just having a mono line if you have a home or auto, recreational vehicle. And then for auto insurance, maintaining a clean driving record is a big one there. So trying to avoid those at-fault accidents and avoiding tickets. And then lastly, something that everyone can do if you carry comprehensive and collision coverage on your vehicles, the higher you have those deductibles, the lower your premiums will be.
Okay, great. So let's go a little bit deeper and tell us a little bit more about the bundling that we hear so much about.
Yeah, so a lot of people think, oh, I have to have a home and my auto policy together. And in some cases, people don't have that home. So if you have a renter's policy, you can bundle with an auto policy. Or if you have a recreational vehicle or a life policy, or there's several different policies out there that you can still bundle together, and umbrella being another one of those policies that would provide extra protection and allow you to get the multi-policy discount.
So we know when it's raining outside, we like to have umbrellas to keep us dry, but tell us more about how umbrella policies work with insurance.
Yeah, so no one knows when there's going to be a catastrophic event, or we can't ever gauge when something may happen that would require more coverage than your average auto policy or your average home policy would be. So that umbrella is just going to provide the extra protection, extra coverage, liability coverage, bodily injury, etc.
Well, what are some of the different types of limits you would have on those umbrella policies?
So standard would be 1 million, and then you can go up from there. We typically see a $2 million umbrella policy, and that would be on top of your underlying home and auto liability coverages.
Okay. So, there's so many different kind of insurances we have with property casualty, with personal lines. Tell us about the one kind of insurance that not a lot of people know about, but maybe a lot of people should have.
Absolutely. So in South Carolina, for us in particular, most people don't know that we've actually had 70 earthquakes in the past 3 years, and over five of those were over a 2-point magnitude. So it's important to speak to your agent and make sure that not only having a homeowner's policy, but having those additional coverages added on to make sure that you're insured properly for your location.
And exactly how does that earthquake coverage work so far as being a part of the policy so far as deductibles are concerned?
So it is something that's added on, and it would have its own deductible. It's typically a percentage of your overall coverages, and then it would kick in for property damage, the dwelling itself, and personal property.
So typically, especially along the coast, there are percentage deductibles for wind and hail. That would be the same for earthquakes
It's
also.
similar to that, yes.
Okay, so great. So that was a good interview we had today with Emma Lane, and we appreciate you being with us, and we look forward to having you the next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And always remember, at Trusto and Stokes Farnham, we're here for you.
We're here for you.